This is my truck. This is my 2004 Dodge Ram 2500, and Dash is convinced there is a mouse in there. It's a gasoline. It's got a 5.7 liter Magnum Hemi in it. It's a single cab with the long bed. It's got a few dings here and there, like there on the side door panel, and there's a bigger one, and it's got dings in the paint and everything right there. There's this one right up here in the front under. So, boom, there it is. Yeah, it's a Ram 2500. Here, I'll show you the interior later. Yeah, it's my truck. It's a 04, I think it said that. Yeah. I'll show you a full body shot. So there you go. It's my truck. Got it for $2,000, and it's, as you can see, it's running and driving. Just got some issues here and there, but of course, it's a two-seater, a manual, of course, 5-speed. Of course, seats fold. You have a little area in the back. And that is hot. There we go. Got the fold-down seat as an armrest, so it folds up as a seat. There you go. And you got your hand roll-up windows. You got your mirrors. Of course, it's an 04, so it's not really up to date on radio or anything. There you go. Steering wheel. 133,000 miles on it, as you can see right there. And yeah, so it's my truck. Like and subscribe for no new videos on my truck. So see you guys in the next video.